When it comes to data management, the average employee loses up to 2 hours every day looking for misplaced, miscategorized, or lost documents. What's more, the average employee loses over 90% of their productivity to data management and record keeping. Those are pretty staggering numbers, but what can be done about it? Thanks to airSlate's acquisition of US Legal Forms, premium users of US Legal Forms get full access to pdfFiller and signNow. These are award-winning document management and eSignature solutions that allow users to maintain the integrity of their libraries and archives and simplify their document-driven processes. Let's take a look at a few other statistics that demonstrate why data management and organization are so important for a small business, entrepreneur, attorney, or individual. At the moment, only 15% of organizations employ banking-level security practices. Unfortunately, this means that employee and customer data are potentially vulnerable to the efforts of a determined hacker. Thus, proprietary information such as pre-patent schematics or market research may be in jeopardy. At US Legal Forms, we employ banking-level data security. In fact, all of airSlate's services utilize banking-level to military-grade security and encryption. This means that no matter what you're signing, editing, or completing, your privacy, along with your customers, partners, and employees, is preserved. Consider that the average employee consumes more than 10,000 sheets of paper each year, which amounts to a minimum dollar equivalent of $100. This doesn't even include costs of ink toners, printer and copier maintenance, etc., etc. Now, multiply this amount by the number of employees you have and imagine how many forms and documents are wasted due to human error. Are there any solutions to these common yet alarming statistics? By utilizing paperless document management tools, you're saving both time and money while increasing productivity within your small business or law practice. For example, by using the pdfFiller integration with your US Legal Forms premium account, you can ensure that every form and document is stored and saved for reuse, and every electronically signed document is preserved for your records to maintain legal compliance with record preservation regulations. Furthermore, it's possible to automate e-signatures and signing orders, which simplifies the process even further. Whether you're looking to automate signatures or to customize a legally binding form or document, US Legal Forms Premium has you covered. And don't worry, the cost is far less than you'd expect, rewarding you with real-world savings that you can invest into your business's growth and longevity. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.